we're testing these forward controls out. So far, don't like the brake. Let me get a couple of miles in here and I'll get back with you guys. Alright, so let's talk about the Dyna. Alright, so we put forward controls on it. The brake's not too bad. I like where that is. I don't like my leg rubbing here on the Joker machine intake. And that bell, or the horn cover that I installed, because she just had the horn hanging there, I also don't like where that is. It's rubbing right here on my leg. The kickstand, that went awesome. That leans that bike over nicely now after being lowered. Overall, I like the forward controls already much better than the mids, but I don't know if she will. Like, it's right at the end of my leg and I'm taller than she is. We may need to put some like mini floorboards on there, a little bit bigger, so she could put her foot back further. I switched it over to Redline gear oil and it shifts buttery smooth now. And I noticed when it's shifting, when I'm going up, it's smooth. I may need to adjust that lever again. I already adjusted it down, but the last time I went a little too far and I didn't like where it was, because you kind of had to move your foot out of the way and then tuck your foot back underneath it. Like I said, guys, this is her bike, so we'll figure that out when she gets on it. I'm happy with it so far. I think she's gonna too. She really doesn't like the bike. She prefers her Honda. We'll see in the coming days if she likes it or not. But right now I'm gonna get back to the shop, and in this video I want to thank you guys for watching. At V Twinkie, we build it to ride.